In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add padding to a section in Base44. Padding is the space inside an element, between its content and its border. Adjusting padding is a simple way to make your layout look cleaner, give elements room to breathe, and improve readability. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the padding controls in Base44 and how to use them confidently. First, open your project in Base44 and head into the editor. At the top of the editor interface, look for the option called Visual Edit. Go ahead and click on Visual Edit. This switches you into a mode where you can work directly on what you see on the page, instead of digging through code. It's the best place to make layout adjustments like spacing and padding. Once you're in Visual Edit mode, move your cursor over the page and select the element you want to adjust. This might be a whole section, a container, or a specific block that needs more space around its content. Click on that element so it becomes active. You'll usually see some kind of highlight or outline appear around it, and options should show up in a side panel or toolbar. Take a moment to double check you've got the right element selected, especially if several sections look similar. With your element selected, look over to the Settings or Style panel and find the option labeled Spacing. Click on Spacing. This section controls both margin and padding. Margin is the space outside the element, while padding is the space inside. For this video, we're focusing on padding only, so we'll ignore margin for now. Inside the spacing area, locate the padding controls. You will typically see values for the top, right, bottom, and left sides of the element. Sometimes these are linked together, so changing one side changes all sides. If you want equal padding all around, leave them linked and adjust a single value. If you need different padding on each side, look for a small link or chain icon and click it to unlock the sides so you can edit them individually. Now, increase or decrease the padding values and watch how the element updates on the page in real time. Add a bit of padding, then pause and see how the content looks. The goal is to create clear spacing without making sections feel too cramped or too spread out. When you're happy with how it looks, your changes are complete, and your section now has the padding you need in Base44.